episode, and yeah, I think so. Breaking tonight in a bad way. It appears. Oh, I have another device here with me because I can, and why not? Go. This better be well. Okay, so we're back. So breaking tonight, and not in a good way. We had a major storm conveniently right over here. Pretty bad. Well, why? So because we got a storm here, and according to weather people, right here, this is the part where the tail will swing around, and there you go, right there, and then it will hit. Whoa, my pen hit Lansing right there, according to weather people. Now, is this true? Could be, but it doesn't mean it is. So, what are we looking at? Well, you're saying it's small. This storm is super, super small. It is. Yes, indeed it is small. But it doesn't mean that this storm can all of a sudden come together just like a hurricane, even though it's not a hurricane. Because remember in the last episode, or a couple episodes, I'm like, so it was twirling clouds. I'm like, is that a hurricane? I'm like, seriously? No, it's not a hurricane. I could claim, if you can see a swirling clouds on the radar with rain, claim it's a hurricane. I could claim that it's swirling clouds in the outer space saying it's a hurricane. But it's not. Now, when this storm moves east, and yeah, we're expecting millions and bajillions of power outages. This is an intense storm. It can, in fact, even produce a tornado if it wants to. Do what we call those? Well, first of all, we call those supercells. That's what we call them. And yeah. And they can produce a tornado by low pressure and high pressure. But the point is, this storm is massive. May look small, but it's big. And here's a little educational. Right. I'm going to grab my pen again. This is called the storm front. That's what this is called, a storm front. The storm moves. Probably because from low, cold wind or something like that. I forgot what it's called. But we're going to have to watch our radar, like always. And then we're going to talk about Lansing, Florida. Be done. Here we go. Here's our radar. Hi, how are you?
Good. I'm actually doing a live stream where everything is live happening right now. I can't figure things out.
Okay. So, nothing big. But, what, did you guys saw that? Like, I'm going to go back. I don't know if you guys saw that or not, but we're going to go right back right here. That is a massive.
Oh.
It just grew at 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Friday the 14th. Oh, guess what? It's Friday the 14th. How convenient. This storm's going to go big. And it's going to probably swing if it wants to. But, like, if this storm moves to the east, this is not going to be good. Because the tail of the storm, we're going to get whipped by it. And this here is Lansing's forecast for the evening. Oh, not evening, it's whatever time it is. So, see the forecast. Okay. First of all, probably first notice, there's a bunch of yellow, reds, and blues. What does that mean? Well, it means there's a wind advisory. And if you probably noticed, this says upcoming wind advisory. Yeah, they do issue warnings. But when they issue warnings, do you know what they do instead? They issue an upcoming warning. I mean, they schedule a warning to happen in the future. That's what it means. And we're going to do that. If you didn't know that. Coming down here, Saturday and Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, 59 degrees in the 40s and 70s. Today's high will be 70, the low will be 59. But then the next 14 degrees and 42. The temperatures will drop tomorrow and Saturday and Sunday and Monday. Temperatures will be in the 50s. So, pretty decent. Could be better. Race starts at 4 a.m. Ends at around maybe 11 a.m. And my favorite, and here's the rail we just looked at. Here's the table. Here's my favorite. I love the table so much. I personally enjoy it because it tells you all the info. Like the 24th, 25th, and 26th. Like the last live stream I did, I talked about these. These are staying the same like yesterday. 24th will be rain, 25th will be mix, and 26th will be rain. If you don't know what a mix is, please allow me to pull up the whiteboard. So, mix. I talk about it. I love to talk about it. I mentioned like so many times. But first, we're going to have to do something called the map key. What is the map key? Well, good question. Here's the map key. On the bottom right of... On the bottom right of your screen, you will see a little GUI right here. What does GUI mean? Good question. This GUI, or graphic user interface, tells me like the weather, like mix and rain, and a bunch of other information. That was an example. And then over here, and then mix means snow and rain combine together. Now, mix can also be a different other things. What kind of things? Well, also you could get snow first, then rain, or rain first, then snow. Or both. Now, if you don't know what both means, like snow and rain combined together, it's sleet. And yeah, we call that's the accurate weather term. Sleet. S-L-E-E-T. And we're going to click to also one of my favorites. The table behind me. What is this table? Well, first of all, this table also tells me what it's going to rain, but I give you more, let's say, detailed. And also, yeah. Partly cloudy. But Saturday, let's say around, oh, here we go, 4 a.m. Then we're going to see some rain at 4 o'clock. And then it will stop at 10 a.m. That's like 5 hours. Maybe less, maybe more. Not bad. Don't get flooding. If you do, there's nothing I can do. Just have to tell you about it. But, and everything else will be just windy. Oh, but at 8 p.m., you're going to see some rain again. All the way into tomorrow. Stopping at 8 a.m. Which means, if you don't know a.m. or p.m., a.m. is in the morning. P.m. is in the evening. So if it started at 8 p.m., starts again, and continues through a.m., it means go into the next day already. So that means at 8 a.m., it's still going to be raining. Light rain showers, of course. But then, everything else is pretty much usual. Clear, sunny, temperatures rising, dropping. Not bad. And if this works, which it's not cooperating, gotta refresh the window because this board hates me. Sometimes it likes me. Sometimes it cooperates. Which it's not correct. Now Florida. All the way down here, down south. Here's Florida. Here's some words for you. Okay, words. Do you know the fun fact? This little line right up here that goes all the way up. Same thing here. This line goes all the way up. Oh, shoot. Oh, it's actually called the panhandle. That is a fun fact. The panhandle. That's what it means. And there may be some rain to the east, maybe to the west. It's that small. And yeah, logically, that's basically it. But here is Florida's forecast, because now it's time to look at our beautiful radar. Right now. Oh, shoot. That's fine. Well, my screen just froze, so that's not good. I did that. Well, folks, there's really nothing I can do now. Screen froze. Nothing I can do. But I can tell you this. Make this nice, easy weather science educational video. And I like this. I like this. Are you guys ready? It is called the weather cycle. What is the weather cycle? Well, good question. I'll talk about it right now. The weather cycle. Sorry, not water, not weather. Sorry, water cycle. What does the water cycle mean? Well, the water cycle, logically, it's just this. Sun, water. Let's see. Arrows, sun evaporates the water. Clouds. I'm sorry, nope. It's a cloud, sorry. Rain. Oh, I think I made a mistake. Actually, that goes all the way over here again. Pretty basic, you know. I'll even explain it to you. Sun evaporates water. Water evaporates, goes all the way to the cloud. Cloud gets so heavy with rain. Rain falls down. Repeats. That is basically the basic of the water cycle.